guys. Happy Monday. Just starting the week off with some Ghost. This is a song called Square Hammer. It's by a Swedish band. Trying to broaden my music range a little bit. And so I thought I'd try out this Swedish band that had toured in the United States this past fall and was kind of interested in what they were doing here in the United States. Figured if you're Swedish and touring the United States, you had some decent material to come to play. So gave them a shot. And I've actually liked their stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Really short video today. We're on quarantine week 6. This was supposed to be the week of our spring break. So I'm going to go light because I got some painting projects I got to do this week that I had planned to do. So we're going to go light. We still are going to have class so that we can get through some things, but it'll be a light week. You do have your thinking, language, and intelligence reader's notebook that you should be working on. We're going to be turning that in on Wednesday, April 29th, so after this break. So that would be a possibility if you haven't started that. You should have already turned in your human growth and development reader's notebook that was due yesterday on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. I'll be grading those this week. So let's jump in. A huge congratulations to Caitlin Medina for being accepted to the Regis University Honors Program. Woo! Nice job. Hope that you will enjoy that program and the double major of bio and psychology. So let's go in. I'm sure you've been excited to find out how did you score on the Stanford-Binet. So sorry to leave you with that cliffhanger over the weekend, but let's go ahead and talk about how you're going to score that. So normally in class, we would have gone over the answers together. One of the big things that I would have said is do not shoot the messenger. I did not write this test, nor did I write these answers. Again, this is your score. So you can be totally honest with yourself, score yourself legitimately, or you could be like, well, I don't agree with that answer, so I'm going to count that as right, even though it's wrong. And that's fine. Nobody's going to know the difference. But remember, you're lying to yourself, okay? And that may be something you want to address in itself, is the mindset that you would have that this test is your end-all be-all of your intelligence, because I have qualms with that. So you're going to go into here where it says answers for the Stanford-Binet, and I have basically a scanned document of the answers. And what's really nice about this scanned document is that it will tell you the answer, and then it'll tell you why. So you'll see here that for number 1, snake, and it says all others have legs. The others are mammals, okay? So you're gonna score it according to the guide. And then what you'll do is you'll jump out of here once you've done your scoring, and you'll go to the Stanford-Binet scoring chart, okay? So I've even highlighted here what you need to know in order to score. So first of all, what I would say is read up here and read down here, okay? And I've highlighted some big things about what the score really means and how much validity you should be putting into this. So you're going to go to the adult 16 plus, okay? You're going to count up how many answers did you get correct. So if you got 37 out of the 60 questions correct, what you're going to do is, let me move myself out of the way here. What you're going to do is, if I got 37 correct, I'm going to go over, and that tells me my score. I scored a 110, let's say, on the IQ test. If I got 42 correct, I would be a 120 on the IQ test, okay? So this little column tells me what I scored out of how many answers are correct. Okay, so that's all you need to do in order to score the Stanford-Binet. Then what you'll do is I want you to write I don't want to say a paper, a 150 word response to taking the Stanford-Binet. So let's look at this prompt. It says, in 150 words, please reflect on one or more of the following. You could write 150 words on one of these topics, or maybe you have 75 words on one topic and 75 words on another. Okay, so I want you to respond to one of the following: taking the test, your score, intelligence testing as a whole, or if you're interested in taking the official Stanford-Binet and maybe talking about that. Do not post as a discussion. Please upload this as a document. In nowhere in this does it say that you have to tell me your score unless you want to tell me your score. Okay, so with that said, guys, that is it for Monday. Like I said, it's a lighter week. We will be talking to you again on Wednesday. I'll be posting something there. And we're finishing out this unit by almost the end of this week. It'll go into Monday of the following week, and that's it. So we will be testing again. So keep that in mind. And if you're behind on lectures or anything, make sure to catch up so you have those things in your notes. All right, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and we will be talking to you later.